So hello, since online class tayo, so i-discuss ko lang sa inyo yung topic po namin nung nagkaroon ng face-to-face. So para at least man lang po ay magkaroon kayo ng idea sa susunod natin na meeting about our topic. So ituturo ko ngayon ay about evaluating function. So ano yung evaluating function? Ito po yung meron pong given sa, for example, given yung function, then we are going to evaluate it. For example, if f of x is equal to 5x plus 2, then f of x is equal to 4x plus 2. Okay? Take note that the f of x is given. Ano po, may value po yung f of x which is 5x plus 2. Then ano po yung function natin? Ito po, fx is equal to 4x plus 2. We're going to evaluate this by using the value of f of x. So first po, kunin po natin or kopyahin po natin yung function po natin which is the f of x is equal to 4x plus 2. Then, we are going to evaluate the function. Ano po yung value po ng function which is the 5x plus 2. So, we're going to substitute the function f of x sa 5x plus 2. Therefore, the value of f of x is 5x plus 2. Then, copy 4x plus 2. Then, we're going to look for this equation. We're going to have a combining like terms. Ano po? So, this 5x plus 2 is equal to 4x plus 2. We are going to transpose. Ano po? Kailangan po natin malipat muna sa kabila itong mga to para po maging isa po silang equation. Okay? Yung 5x po, ililipat po natin sa kabila. So, copy yung 4x plus 2. Yung 5x po, ito pong unang term. Since this is a positive, kapag po tinranspose natin is magiging negative. Therefore, this is minus 5x. Then, the positive 2, kapag po tinranspose natin sa kabila, positive 2 magiging negative 2. Very good. Ayan na po. Meron na tayong ganitong equation. Dito po natin i-apply yung combining like terms. 4x and then yung negative 5x. Since parehas po sila may variable na x, sila po ay magkatulad na term. So, pagsasamahin natin. 4x minus 5x means malaki po yung value ng 5 at ang sign niya ay negative. Therefore, that is a negative. Then, 5 minus 4, that is negative 1. So, pwede po natin sulat minus x. Since yan po ay may 1, so, understood na po yan na may 1 po yan na variable, na constant. So, negative x, since yan ay x. Then, plus 2 minus 2. So, plus 2 or 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay? Plus 0. So, pwede na natin hindi isulat yung 0. So, ang final answer po natin is negative x. Okay? Let's have another example. If f of x is equal to 5, then f of x is equal to 4x plus 6. Then, i-evaluate lang po natin itong given natin. Ulit, copyin po natin yung function. F of x is equal to 4x plus 6. Then, substitute. Okay, the value of f of x. What is the value of f of x? Is 5. Therefore, f of x is equal to 5. Then copy the equation. So, para po malipat sa kabila, we are going to need to transpose. Positive 5 magiging negative 5. Therefore, 4x plus 6, positive magiging negative 5. Then, combining like terms, 4x plus 6 minus 5. Ito po yung magkatulad na terms since sila ay constant number. 6 minus 5, that is 1. So, 4x plus 1. So, this is our final answer. How about naman po, if given po, or meron pong value si x. How about if yung x daw po ay may value? Ano po kaya ang gagawin natin? Let's say, if x is equal to 3, then f of x is equal to 4x plus 7. What is the value of f of x? Ano po? So, given po yung value ng x, which is 3. Kopyahin muna natin yung function. F of x is equal to 4x plus 7. So, ano pong gagawin natin dyan? Lahat po ng x ay papalitan po natin yung value niya, which is in 3. Yung f of x magiging f of 3. Copy yung 4. Yung x magiging 3. Then yung 7. F of 3 is equal to 4 times 7, that is 12. Plus 7. F of 3 is equal to 12 plus 7, that is 19. Therefore, the value of f of 3 is 19. Isinubstitute lang po natin yung value ng x doon po sa given function. Okay? For example naman, if x is equal to 4, then f of x is equal to 6x plus 2. Ayan, plus 2. Then, substitute lang po natin. First po, i-copy natin yung function. F of x is equal to 6x plus 2. Okay? Since may value tayo sa x, that is 4, substitute lang po natin f of 4 is equal to 6. Yung value ng x ay 4. 4 plus 2. Then, f of 4 is equal to 6 times 4. That is 6, 12, 18, 24 plus 2. Therefore, the value of f of 4 is equal to 26. So, ganun po mag-evaluate kapag po given yung x po natin. Okay? That is evaluating function. So, now, ganun lang po yung evaluating function. I-evaluate lang po natin yung kanya pong given na function. Okay? How about the sum? How about sum? Pag sinabi natin sum, this is the result of a addition or yung result ng addition. So, meron po tayong formula, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Ibig sabihin, dalawa po yung function natin, f of x tsaka yung g of x. So, kapag sum po, ibig sabihin, plus ang gagamitin. For example, if f of x is equal to 5x plus 3 and g of x is equal to 5x, what is f plus g of x? Again, hinahanap po natin yung f plus g of x, then given po yung f of x and given yung g of x. So, this is sum. So, kailangan lang po natin ipag-add. Kopyahin muna, ano po, yung f of x, that is 5x plus 3. Ito po yun. Nanggaling po dito sa formula natin, f of x plus 3, 5x plus 3, then add, okay, plus yung g of x natin na 5x. So, ganun lang po yan. Ipag-add lang po natin yung dalawang function nila. Okay? So, combining like terms, 5x plus 5x, that is 10x. Then, plus 3. Therefore, this is our final answer. Okay? Sa sum po, again, addition lang po yan ng dalawang function. F plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Ipag-a-add nyo lang yung dalawang function nila. Okay? How about the difference? Pag sinabi natin difference, this is the result of a subtraction. Difference. Paano naman po sa difference? Dito naman po ay minus ang gagamitin. So, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Okay? So, halimbawa, given po, if f of x is equal to 6x plus 7 and g of x is equal to 4x minus 2, what is f minus g of x? Again, kopyahin po natin yung given, f of x tsaka yung g of x, 6x plus 7. Then, minus, ang gagamitin natin since ito ay difference, minus the value of g of x, that is 4x minus 2. Okay? Next, combining like terms. 6x tsaka yung 4x, combine po natin yan kasi pares silang may x. 6x minus 4x, that is 2x. Okay? 7 minus negative 2. So, yung negative tapos negative magiging positive, kaya po yung magiging 7 plus 2. That is 9. Okay? Again po, kapag po ganito negative, if times po natin sa negative, magiging positive po yan. Kaya po 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Therefore, this is our final answer. Okay? How about the sum? Sum. The product. Ano po? How about the product? Pag sinabi natin product, this is the result of multiplication. So, multiplication naman po tayo. So, f multiplied by g of x is equal to f of x multiplied by g of x. Let's have an example. If f of x is equal to 9x plus 2, and g of x is equal to 3x plus 1, what is f multiplied by g of x? Again, this is a product. Ano po? So, ipag-multiply nyo lang yung dalawang function nila, f of x and g of x. Okay? So, mula po dun sa f of x, copy lang natin, 9x plus 2, 9x plus 2, then multiply by the value of g of x, 3x plus 1. Okay? Then, lagyan natin ng parenthesis para mas maliwanag. Ano po? So, ano pong gagawin natin dyan? Paano natin i-evaluate? Okay? Gamit tayo ng FOIL method. Ano ba yung FOIL method? Una sa una, una sa pangalawa, pangalawa sa una, pangalawa sa pangalawa. I-multiply lang. 9x times 3x, that is 27x squared. 9x times 1, that is 9x. Next, yung pangalawa, 2 times 3x, that is 6x. 2 times 1, that is 2. So, ito po yung nabuo nating equation. Combining like terms, parehas po yung may x. Pagsasamahin lang natin. Copy yung 27x squared. 9x plus 6x, that is 15x plus 2. Therefore, this is our final answer. Okay? Maliwanag po dito na po. Gagamit po tayo ng multiplication since ayan po yung sa product. I-FOIL method lang or i-distribute po natin yung bawat term dun sa kabilang term para po ma-multiply. Una, 9x times 3x, kaya po naging 27x squared. Pag minumultiply mo natin yung may variable, yung exponent po nila ay pag-add. May 1 po dyan, may 1 dito, 1 plus 1, kaya po nagkaroon tayo ng 2. Then, 9x times 1, kaya po nagkaroon tayo ng 9x. 2 times 3x, kaya po nagkaroon ng 6x, and 2 times 1, kaya po naging 2. Then, ito pong 9x plus 6x ay pinag-add natin, kaya po naging 15x. How about the quotient? Okay, tapos na po tayo sa sum, sa difference, and the product. How about the quotient? Pag sinabi naman natin quotient, this is a result of division. Okay? So, division po ang gagamitin natin. Okay? Quotient. Okay? F over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. Okay? For example, if f of x is equal to 9x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 3x plus 2, what is f over g of x? Okay? So again, substitute lang po natin yung value. Sabi po sa quotient, ito po ang gagamitin nating formula. F of x divided by g of x. F of x natin, ito yung given, 9x plus 2 over g of x. Ano yung g of x? Ito pong 3x plus 2. Then simplify. 9x over 3x, 9x divide 3x, that is 3x. Okay? Then 2 divide 2, that is 1. Therefore, our final answer is 3x plus 1. Again po, pinag-divide lang 9x divide 3, that is 3x. 2 divide 2, that is 1. Therefore, this is our final answer. So, ayan po yung evaluating function. So, sana po ay naintindihan po ninyo kung paano po mag-evaluate ng function. Okay, thank you. So, next po is how about the composition of function. Okay? So, ito po yung ating formula sa composition of function. F circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. Ibig sabihin po, yung x po ng f ay nasa yung x po ng f ay yung g of x natin. So, paano po yan? Let's have an example. If f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 2x plus 1, then g of x is equal to 5x plus 2. What is f circle g of x? So, composition po ito. Ano po? So, first, kung nakita niyo po, f po yung nasa labas, ibig sabihin ang gagamitin natin yung function f. Ano ba yung function f natin? Ito po yung function f. So, kopyahin natin, function f, 5x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, sabi po dito sa formula, yung gx daw po ay yung x ng f. Kung mapapansin niyo po, nasa loob po yung gx, ng f. Ibig sabihin po, ang gagamitin po nating value ng x dun sa f of x ay yung value po ng g of x. Ano ba yung value ng g of x? Ito pong 5x plus 2. Ito yung g of x, ito yung 5x plus 2. Therefore, isa-substitute po natin yung value ng x, ng g of x dito po sa x ng f of x. So, mangyayari po ng copy po yung 5. Then, yung x po ay papalitan natin ng value ng g of x. Therefore, ayun po yung 5x plus 2. Susulat po natin 5x plus 2. Then, meron po tayong squared plus 2x, 2. Yung x po, papalitan po natin ng value ng g of x. 5x plus 2. Then, copy po yung plus 1. So, meron na po tayong ganitong equation. So, ano pong gagawin po natin dito? We are going to evaluate. Ano po? We are going to simplify. So, unahin po natin itong may squared. Ano po? Pag sinabi natin squared, ito po yung merong imumultiply mo sa kaparehas niya. For example, 5x plus 2 squared. Ayan po ay 5x plus 2 multiply by 5x plus 2. I-multiply po sa sarili. Ano po? Kasi dalawang beses po yung 5x plus 2. So, we are going to simplify it. So, FOIL method again. First sa first, first sa second. Second sa first, second sa second. So, 5x times 5x, that is 25x squared. 5x times 2, that is 10x. Okay? Then, 2 times 5x, that is 10x. And then, 2 times 2, that is 4. Then, combine yung like term, parehas kung may x, kaya po pagsasamahin natin, kopya lang. 25x squared. 10x plus 10x, that is a 20x. Then, plus 4. Ibig sabihin po, ito po yung ating gagamitin sa equation na ito, 5x plus 2 squared. Ito po ay ita-transfer natin dito. Okay? Copy yung pi. And then, ito pong given ito, 5x plus 2 squared, ay papalitan na po natin ng simplified na po natin. Yung 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. Okay? Then, copy na po itong plus 2 and the rest. Plus 2, 5x plus 2, plus 1. Next, anong gagawin po natin? Simplify po ulit. I-multiply naman natin yung 5 dito po sa nasa loob ng parenthesis. 5 times 25x squared, that is 125x squared. 5 times 20x, that is 100x. Okay? 5 times 4, that is 20. Then plus, dito naman po sa kabila, 2 times 5x, that is 10x. 2 times 2, that is 4. Then copy po yung plus 1. So, ayan na po. Combining like terms na po ulit tayo. Ano ba yung magkaka-term? Yung 100x, tsaka yung 10x. Kopyahin muna natin yung 125x squared. Plus, yung x. 100x plus 10x, that is 110x. Then, 20 plus 4, that is 24 plus 1 plus 25. Therefore, this is our final answer. Okay? Huwag pong malilito sa composition of function. Ano po? Kapag po f circle g of x, ang magiging formula po natin ay f of g of x. Ibig sabihin po, ang gagamitin po nating function ay yung f. Then, ano po ang value ng x ng f of x? Yung value po ng g of x. Example, if f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 2x plus 1, then g of x is equal to 5x plus 2, what is f circle g of x? So again, gamitin po natin yung value ng f. Ito po yung value ng f. Ito po yun. Value ng f of x. Ito po. Next, yung value po ng x natin ay papalitan po natin ng value ng g of x. Yung x po, papalitan po natin ng value ng g of x, which is yung 5x plus 2. Kaya po nangyari yan ay 5. X squared po naging 5x plus 2 squared kasi pinalitan po natin yung x ng 5x plus 2. Plus 2. Yung x po, magiging 5x plus 2, then plus 1. Then, ito pong 5x plus 2 squared ay ginawa po natin is sinimplify, kaya po ito po yung nakuha natin. 5x plus 2 squared ay naging 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. Isinubstitute po natin dito sa value po nito, kaya po nagkaroon tayo ng 5 multiply by 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. Then, dito naman po, copy lang po yan. Plus 2 times 5x plus 2 plus 1. Then simplify. Okay, multiply. 5 times 25x, that is 125x squared. 5 times 20, that is 100x. 5 times 4, kaya po naging 20. Then next plus, 2 times 5x kaya po naging 10, 2 times 2 kaya po naging 4, and 2 times, ayun, 4. Then copy po yung plus 1, since nasa labas siya ng parentheses. Then combining like term, copy po yung 125x squared. Pagsamahin po natin yung term ng may x, 100x, tsaka yung 10x. 100x plus 10x, that is 110x. Then yung constant number na 20, 4, tsaka 1, 20 plus 4 plus 1, that is 25. Therefore, this is our final answer. So, ganun lang po sa composition of function. Okay? Sana po maliwanag po ang composition of function. Ganun lang din naman po yan. Isasubstitute lang po natin yung value po niya. And then, kailangan po natin i-evaluate lahat po ng pwede natin i-evaluate. Okay? Then, simplify your final answer. Po, kailangan po masimplify yung answer natin para po makakuha po tayo ng final answer po. Ano po? So, sana po maliwanag po ang composition of function. So, thank you!